The employees of Bit by Bit added a horizontal road to their plan. They did it by adding a fourth parameter to the square.draw instruction, which specifies a direction for each road. For example, using the square.draw instruction with the vertical parameter will create a vertical road, while using square.draw with the horizontal parameter will create a horizontal road. Unfortunately, the employees of Bit by Bit made several mistakes while adding the horizontal road to the plan. Let's take a look at the problematic part of the code. If you look on the left side of the code editor, you'll see some numbers. Each one of these represents one line of code. You'll also see a small red symbol. This means that our code editor found an error on this line of code. If you look a bit further down, you'll notice many more error symbols. Does this mean that all of our code is wrong? Not at all. Sometimes, one mistake can make the computer think that there are many more. It's always a good idea to start with the first mistake, as it can often be the source of all the other errors. If you look closely at the first square.draw instruction, you'll notice that the y parameter is missing. Let's specify it by adding the number 4. The first error symbol should disappear. This means that the computer did not find any further problems with that line of code. If we look at the next line with a problem, you'll notice that there's a missing quotation mark after the word horizontal. Let's add it. Suddenly, all the red symbols are gone. Our code seems to be bug-free, so let's run it. Whoops! The road at the coordinates 8, 4 is still missing. Unfortunately, there are some bugs that the computer can't recognize. These can be a bit harder to find. Luckily, we have a clue. We know that the square at the coordinates 8, 4 is not showing up. Look at the instruction that should create this square. In this case, the road parameter should be the third parameter, and the direction should be the fourth. They've been reversed. Let's fix that. Now run the code one more time.